Hi all, welcome back to a new video. So in my series Growing Greens, I have shown you this hydroponic setup, and if you have not seen it, you can check out the link in the description below. What I was doing there, that is called DWC, that is deep water culture, and I want to try aeroponics, and for that I need to create a tower. So this is how the aeroponic tower looks like. If we buy one tower like this, it will cost us around 2500. But we can DIY this using PVC pipes as well, and this will look classy. But the problem is I don't have such kind of equipment like the blower and all that. So what can I do? So instead of the plastic pipe, we are going to use this sunboard, and length of this sunboard is about 4 feet. So the hydroponics tower, its height will be around 4 feet. So let's cut it into 4 pieces, then we'll connect it to create that tower. So these are the cups that we are going to use for plantation. And to hold these cups, we need some holes in that tower. For that I have designed such a design like this. So this is a complete 90 degree, and here we can place our cup like this. So on that tower that we are going to make, before joining these sunboards, we are going to make such holes, then this kind of structure, so that we can place our cups like this. So this is the hydroponics tower that we have created, and as you can see, its height is about 4 feet, and I have made these holes at certain distance so that we can put our net pots like this, and at the same time the tree will also grow properly. So that's why I have made it in such a way that between these two cups there is one, and between these two there is one, just like that. Before I had a hydroponics kit, so I got these net pots from there only. But let's say you don't have one and you want to start from the scratch, so you can start from this Tata Gluco cup as well. So this can also fit here very nicely. And Sasta Jugaad. Okay, this part is fine. Now let's focus on the base. For that I am going to use this tub. This is a plastic tub, and this is a very cheap, and just for 120 rupees it's a nice product. And I have this piece of sunboard that I already cut it in a circular way, so that I can place it right here just like this, and you can see the fit, and it is properly fitting inside this tub. So now we have to create a square cut. For that one, just like this, we have this square where we can put our, let's say this is the tower, and this goes right here just like that. But the base is not much strong, and as you can see there is gaps. So for that one I am going to create another structure for the base, and also we have to add a motor in the tub. So for that one we have to create a structure, so let's make that one now. So we have created this space something like this. So this is going to be the water tank, and this is the cover, and we have made this space where we can put our motor, and here this tower, and the tower will go like this. And this will be strong. So this is a piece of pipe that we are going to need, and this will be connected inside this tower and from the motor to the top of this tower, so that the water can flow from the bottom, that is the tank, to the upside of this tower, and then it will flow automatically. So for that we have to create a tanker like thing on the top of this section. From the beginning we are doing jugaad only. So I have this box. This is an old box of a cake, and This one you can see it is perfectly fitting for this place. And why I am choosing this one, because of this surface area of this box is perfect, and I can make holes in this part so that whenever the water will come to this place, and the water will be stored here, and through these holes the water will flow to the downward and the roots will get enough amount of water. So I am going to fix it right here and it will be done. So now we are going to fix motor and pipes to this tower. For that, let me open this tower. We don't need this one right now. And this one too. So here we have made a gap, this one, so that we can add our motor. So I have this 18-watt motor right here. So this is an aquarium motor, basically used inside the aquarium so that it can create the oxygen bubbles. But in this case this says that it can also throw water up to 5 feet high, and this is about 4 feet, so we can easily work with this. So this one will go right here, just like this. Simply we have to place it. I have this piece of pipe and this is about 3.5 feet high, because we don't have to take a 4 feet pipe, because we are already having a gap like this, and also on the top side we will have a gap. So 3.5 is okay, and we can connect this end to the motor, and this one will go to the top of this tower. So like this. Okay, so now the pipe is inside this tower. Now let me put this tower to this tub. So here we have this pipe that is coming all the way from the bottom of this tub, and I have this box, and here I have made some holes. So this box will work as a tanker, and the water will flow from the bottom to top, and here it will be stored. It will not be stored actually, but using these holes the water will flow to the downwards again, going through the roots of these plants. So now let me connect the pipe to the middle of this hole, then it will work. So now let's fill the tub with some water, and then we will check it is working properly or not. So our tower is ready. Now let me switch on the motor, and here you can see the water is coming from that bottom top to this top tank, and here you can see the water is flowing towards the downward. See, and when we will add our plants, watch here. So from that net pot, you can see when we will add our plant, the roots will get water from this. So this is how we have created an aeroponic tower in a very low cost. If you search online, these kind of towers are kind of costly, and if you make it yourself using plastic or PVC pipes, that will be difficult. But this one is a very easy process to create these kind of aeroponic towers. So that's all for today's video, and in the next part we are going to create an automation so that the motor will work automatically. So if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload the video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.